In today's video, I will teach you how to create a sparkling disco ball in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new image with the dimensions of 800 by 400 pixels. And it's important to maintain the aspect ratio of 2:1 for this tutorial. Now, use a variety of colors or shades of a single color for the background. Then select a soft brush and enable the color from gradient option in the preferences. You can also add brush dynamics for a more diverse fill. Then paint the background with your chosen colors. Now, to create the mosaic, go to Filters, Distort, then Mosaic. Then use the following settings for a mirrored glossy surface, and set the spaces between the tiles to your preferred color. To avoid distortions when mapping, scale the image width. To do this, go to Image, then Scale Image. Then set the width to 400 pixels, and disable the chain link icon to ensure the aspect ratio isn't locked. And your image should now be square. Now, navigate to Filters, Map, then Map Object. Then choose the Sphere option in the Mapping dropdown. Then you can use the following settings, but you can also adjust based on your preferences. But make sure to set the style to Mapped, Orientation to Default, and for options, adjust the light and reflection to make the sphere more realistic. Now we're going to enhance with Unsharp Mask. Go to Filters, Enhance, then Unsharp Mask. Then adjust the settings to your preferences. And to add sparkles, create a new brush in the brush editor, then set the foreground color to white, and click on various spots in the image to add sparkle. And make sure to reset brush dynamics before adding sparkles. And for final adjustments, play with different color variations for your disco ball. Adding a dynamic background and rotating the sphere can enhance the overall effect and make your disco ball look more vibrant. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.